Okay, so we have a mathematics question that says study the semicircle with the center O and a square of 8 centimeter. Find the radius of the semicircle. Now, when they say semicircle, simply means half of the circle. So this you see here, it is half of the circle. Now, within the half of the circle, there is also a what? A square, which is a quadrilateral. So here, this here, it is a square of what? 8 centimeter. When they say 8 centimeter, simply means all the sides here there is what? 8 centimeter. So meaning from here to there is 8, here to there is 8, here to there is 8, here to there is 8 there. I hope you are following. Now the question is saying find the radius of the semicircle. A radius is a line from here coming there, or from here coming there, or it is a line from the center to the circumference here, again to here. It is touching the circumference. Now, before we continue, you need also to understand something. This point O, which is the center of the semicircle, it is also the center of the what? The square. That simply means that since we know to say this here, it is 8. So meaning that here there is 4, even there is 4. And then here there is what? There is 8. So meaning that even here there is 8, even here there is 8. So that if I say 4 plus 4, it is what? 8 there. I hope you have seen now. Now, how can we find the radius? How can we find the radius from here to there? Don't assume to say because here there is 4, even there is 4. No, we are not aware of the length which is here. So what we do is we need to do this. We draw an imaginary line. So from here, so like this. You have seen? Why am I drawing this line? Because we know to say a radius is a line from the center to the circumference. That simply means if you find the length of this one, you have also solved the length for this one. I hope now you have seen. So now what we do here is this. Now this shape formed, it is a right angled triangle. So this here we are given, this we are given. So we're supposed to find this one, which is now the radius which they want. So what we do, we simply say now OE, we say OE, the square root of OE, it is equal to the square root of 4, which is 4 Pythagoras plus 80 square. Now you say equal. So here it's going to give me 16. Here it's going to give me 64. You have seen? Now the next step is now we add. These two is going to give me 80. Like this. I hope you are following. Now how can we eliminate these two? You introduce a square root, even a square root. You cancel out. So now what is OE? OE, so we say OE, it is equal to, what is the square root of 80? So it is 80.94 centimeter, which is the answer. Now this signifies to say the distance from here to there, it is 80.94 centimeter. The distance from here to there, it is 80.94 centimeter.